solve. There are 4 sub questions to this, and almost everyone all are easier. So let's start. 6 raised to minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 the whole 3 upon 2 raised to minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1 means 6 and this 3 upon 2 whole raised to minus 1. Okay, so it's easy now. Just reverse them, means bring into denominator and this reverse this ratio. So it becomes 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. Why 2 upon 3? Because 3 upon 2 reversed, it becomes 2 upon 3 raised to 1 and the whole raised to minus 1, right? Then next, now it's simple cross multiplication. 3 plus 12, 15 upon 18 the whole raised to minus 1 equals to, now again reverse them, 18 upon 15 raised to 1. So divided by this 3, it becomes 6 upon 5. Next, 4 upon 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1. So reverse this, 3 upon 4 raised to 1 means only 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 will become 4 raised to 1 and the whole raised to minus 1. Just solve this. 4 for the 16, 3 minus 16 minus 13 by 4 the whole raised to minus 1. Reverse this. So it becomes 4 upon 13 and minus sign as it is. Next, bracket 1 upon 3 raised to minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 raised to minus 3 bracket close divided by 1 upon 4 raised to minus 3. Similar ones, not that difficult. So reverse this, 3 raised to 3 minus 2 raised to 3 bracket close divided by 4 raised to 3, right? Then 3 raised 27 minus 8 divided by 64, 19 upon 64, that's it. Next, 3 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 upon 3 raised to minus 3. Okay, so just reverse this, 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 2 the whole cube, right? Equals to, just solve then, 1 into this becomes 3 by 3 by 3 upon 3 into 4 into 2 by 2 by 2. So solve this, you'll get 9 upon 32.